Hello guys, these are the pages that you need to work on this week. For Monday 20, we got the pages 108 and 156. In the page 108, you got listen to the conversation, track 22, circle what the conversation is mainly about. And the page 156, we got visible thinking, activity 1 review, work with a partner, choose a news article, and use the chart below to analyze it. And activity 2, we got some information sources are not reliable. Reflect and give examples of information that may not be reliable. Back up your choices with supportive arguments. And the activity 3 extension, if you were living in Dutch City and you heard the news about extreme weather conditions, would you consider it reliable? On Wednesday 22, we got the pages 109 and 110. In the page 109, we got step into the past, changing means of communication, look at the pictures, talk with your group about the means of communication they represent. You don't have to talk with your group, you can do it alone. Compare the means of communication from the past with the ones we use today. Fill in the graphic organizer below with your ideas. In the page 110, we got speaking. Listen to the conversation, track 22, and to the news program, track 23. Again, discuss the questions with a partner. You cannot do that. Do it alone. Do you think that is more likely that the conversation appears in a newspaper, in a magazine, or in a TV program? In which section? What about the information from track 23? Which section of a news program seems more interesting to you and why? In this page, working teams use a game, piece and dice. You're not gonna do that. You're only gonna make one sentence for each of the words you got there. And for Friday 24, we got the pages 111, 112, and 113. Make your own means of communication. Working teams, you cannot do that. You're going to do it alone. Make 3 kinds of homemade walkie-talkies using materials from the column on the left. You got these materials and you're going to make a walkie-talkie, okay? Take a picture and send it to me. A picture or a video. You can do wherever you want. And in the page 112 and 13, we got reading. You only need to read. In the next class, we're gonna answer the exercises, okay? And that's all for this week, guys. Goodbye.